the shackle man. Oh, oh.
Hi, Deadlock's here again with Shackleman Challenge P4, which is with mittens on, which I'm using Mrs. D's socks because I don't have mittens and these were more awkward than my socks. You've got to escape the cuffs any orientation you want. One cuff with one tool, then another tool for the other cuff. Well, these mittens are removing some feel. Hang on. Get through. There we go. See, stopping and thinking about what you're doing helps sometimes. I was just going in willy-nilly. And another tool for the other cuff. That one was easier. That's all from us. See you next time.